That was a good one, buddy.
Do it again. Again. Annabelle, tell him to do it again.
No.
Whoa!
There you go.
Nana.
You can call Nana. What would you say to Nana?
I told you could do it.
Tell her hi, I have to pee. Good girl. Yeah, we'll call her in a minute. Let me get Jack doing it again. I want to see that again, buddy. Wow! I want to go on the other side and get him. Yes, I'll get that trash.
I won't go until you get out, okay? I won't go until you get out of it, okay?
Okay, I want to see you do one of those burnouts from this angle. Wow!
I know, you're doing great, Jack.
Wow! Oof. Yeah, sweetie? Yeah? Oh, that was a little one. Can you do a bigger one? No? I mean, just like you were doing before.
Oh, like that big right there?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.